Hello and welcome back to yet another video, and today I'm going to be doing a lot of chores at the camp. So basically I went ahead, brought gas up, got to gas the four-wheelers, brought some stain for the house, but stay tuned because we are going to go ahead, set some cameras out, see what's on our property, as well as I got some exciting news to share with y'all a little bit later in the video. Hope y'all enjoy. Time to get some game cameras set up here. Gotta put some SD cards, some batteries, etc, etc. And hopefully we'll be setting these out today if I have a little bit more corn. So that's the game plan right now. Get these ready. Then we're gonna go check out a field that's supposed to have some pretty good hog damage on it. We might set one of these cameras out there. This is the patch where we think the hogs are coming in. I can't see any hog damage, but it's a little too grown up really to see anything at this point, so you really gotta watch your step for snakes and everything. But we got it baited up right here. I want to go ahead and set a camera, and hopefully we see more deer on the camera than hogs, because we have never really seen hogs this far up. So some general rules I usually follow when I'm putting any type of cameras up, especially these little game cameras, is that for deer I have it about waist high, and for me it's probably closer to 3 feet, and then for hogs I have it between my knees and my hips. This one is definitely between my knees and my hips to see if there's hogs, but I should be able to see deer if they do kneel down to get that corn. And then behind it, I have this piece of wood that I just snapped off from the ground, and then went ahead, put it behind the camera, and as you can see, the camera's angled down a little bit to give me a little bit better picture, so it doesn't angle up or anything, and I'll be able to get a picture of the ground just to make sure I know what I'm seeing. So hopefully this will work, and we'll see something on this camera later. Here we are at the first stop. This is a tree stand that I love going to if you've been part of the channel for any amount of time. You happen to know this is the most comfortable tree stand on my land, but also just my favorite. Lots to see for sure, and I've had some of my best afternoons of just sitting and watching down here. I've only shot one deer down here, but it's just gorgeous the way it's all set out. I have all this corn spread out now. Got a big pile sitting just off the side of the road. And normally I wouldn't leave corn just sitting on the ground like this, but it'll probably be eaten up within the next day or two. So I'm not too worried about it spoiling before then. This is just to see what's coming up and down this road. My camera's set on this tree right here, and it's looking down at this corn pile and down this road. And we'll see if anything is showing up, whether it be deer, hogs, raccoons, who knows. That's one of the most exciting things about hunting is probably game cameras, just because you don't know what you're going to see on them. This is the surprise I wanted to share with y'all. We ended up buying some more land. This land is a little bit farther down from where we usually hunt. It is way down in the swamp, and even after you get onto this road where this gate is behind me, you still have to go like half a mile to a mile back and down this road really to get to the track we bought. Now we have all of this set up. I'm gonna go ahead, head back to the house because it is blazing hot out here. Clouds are moving out of the way as well, and get something to drink. So I'll see y'all when I get back. Well, I got all the chores done for today, and that's basically where I'm gonna end this. I know this isn't the most exciting content you've ever seen, but I thought maybe one or two of y'all out there may enjoy to see what I'm doing in the off season to prepare for the winter, as well as just what's going on in general up here. But if you did enjoy this video, or you like videos like this, please make sure to comment below and let me know, or even easier way, make sure to hit the like button. And thanks for watching.